Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavens on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Marumo Gallants 1. I'm joined by Mulau.
Mfana womthetho. Yeah, Steve Shap kunjani?
Amnandi man.
Shap. Steve,
nomthetho wamafans uyawazi.
abanye abantwana ke befunda wena uthi wena awuyofunda.
Yes.
Steve ngithini?
Yeah.
I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Yes.
Yabona Steve, ufuna ukuqala la Kaizer Chiefs. Yabona Steve, kunento eku-Chiefs esebenzele for a long time.
Sure man.
And which is sinama players swathatha eAlexander, swathatha le Soweto, siphinde sibe nawe la khona kubuya khona uJabu Pule khona
eDavid John.
Yeah. So lo ma player la for a long time you can count them.
Yes.
Saswina for winning times ngalo ma player la. Manje yazi bengicela nje uBobby aphinde futhi ashaya la kuthi akashafule abuyele kula scoreboard lesaqala. Sasebenza za scoreboard. You understand? Yeah, because now uma ungabuyela lapho iKaizer Chiefs prime ngabuyela on track.
Yeah.
Because bangathebheka no Chiefs sebehlekisa besenza, that's why Chiefs, because now prime ngeke uzukwazi strategy bisebenze for a long time. You understand? All right, Steve ngibuyele ku game yanamhlanje. Mfethu yabona namhlanje ngifuna ukutshela maka Sundowns one iphethe quality. Quality
I want it.
Ebangathi yabheka ngifuna ukutshela maka uthi from J sales we can come them.
Yes.
But namhlanje Caldos ukhona la iboshe khona okhipha lapho uZuku Mdunyela.
Yes.
Ukuthi Marumo after ekhupha uZuku yenzeni
sibamlanda uJohn
bese emlanda ne.
Yes.
So wena Steve into engizama uyisho awuthami ne siya kule case ePhakani wajambisa umona yabona iPhakani awuthami into ebashaya yi1 you understand pressure you understand and nokudlala ama position wrong you understand umfukeng mela buyele ku position yakhe awuthami
ngiyakubambe ewingini
ewingini and manje uTito mela aqala igame awuthami yabona mangabe ucoach ePirates angabuyela lapho afaka usesala akaphumza ucaptain wakhe uSibizi Pirates ungakhuluma enye into awuthami ileague ke sithiwa ikahamba iPirates sene chance awuthami ukuthi ngayithatha league kebe ngaba serious yabona kebe ngawina le game lena lelandelayo iPirates awuthama ingawina le game lelandelayo uzongibamba isandla isenayo chance ukuthi iPirates ingayiwini league.
Hayi iSundowns angekiliyo.
Ngifuna ukutshela maka no mamela Steve yazi iPirates idinga nje uphumza uSibizi bese ufake lo mfana usesana then iPirates solid midfield besharp bese uthatha bani uTito umdlalisi because ukhumbula ukuthi lama player wala season ukuphakamiya mawungawacombine manje sekulate manje awusenazi isikhathi ukuthi manje ungafaka abombuthuma nabo bani kulate manje ufaka uMakhopa ufaka aboTito ufaka abobani because sekulate manje sekuyicompetitive because iSundowns ifaka abobani awuyibonile second half yenzeni ikhonile ukudonsa lama player faka uTapes beyifaka abantu ama experience angithi yafaka abokekana ngithi beyenza la ukuthi isithibo ukuthi like manje baqinise like iskip sabo iPirates yabona manje awuthami uzongibamba isandla mangaba bangafaka abosesana lama player bedlala la season
bayothatha ileague
engangotha ileague bayocompete for the team Steve sengivala
angeli ianamically
iumbrella sengivala awuthami iKaizer Chiefs awuthami mayami uthenga ama player bro ibuyele lapha kula eyayiTV Tona uthakala nama player bakhona boJabu Pule.
Thank you.